Hello everyone! In this video we are going to show you how you can copy USD prims from one stage into another using Shift. For this example we are going to copy the dining table group from this kitchen stage into this attic stage from NVIDIA. To do that copy we have prepared a simple Shift workflow where we basically open the source stage, which is the kitchen, and the target stage, which is the attic. And then we use the USD prim copy operator. With this operator, we need to plug in the source stage and the target stage, and also we need to specify the source prim path and the target prim path. The output of this operator will be the stage already containing that prim. So we can save it into the destination file. Let's run this workflow. So now we can switch to USD view and reopen the stage. We need to reopen the stage because the USD prim copy operator added a new X form. Here we have the table group keeping the original transformation in the source stage. So what we can do now is modify that transformation to translate, to modify the transform and place the table in this area, for instance. To do that we have just added a simple operator to this workflow, which is this one, USD X form set, where we need to plug in the prim object that we want to modify, and from here we can specify the translation, rotation, scale and the pivot. Then the output stage can be saved into the same file. Let's run the workflow, switch back again to USD view, and this time we can reload all layers. And voila! Here we have our table after adding the transformation. So this is how you can easily copy USD prims from one stage into another, and this is all for now. Thanks for watching.